Hi students, welcome to Unit 12. This week we're going to be continuing on with our kinetic typography project, revising and producing the final version of it. So continue to develop your animated frames, whether you're working in Photoshop, in PowerPoint, or if you're doing the other freeware application that I gave you online. Here are your instructions for this week. Unit. Go ahead and you will continue on with your typographic kinetic typography project. We're also going to be beginning a new and very last and final project, which is called the typographic portrait. It's going to span about a total of 2 to 3 weeks, ending at the end of the term. Some of the detailed instructions will be revealed next week, but you are required to find a picture of yourself, a pet, another person, or complete stranger. Anyone really it could be, and you're tasked to build a typographic portrait. So this portrait will require that you utilize type, and you're the one who's supposed to position, arrange, copy and paste it, and place it into the composition, whether you're using layers, where you lock the image behind and you build texture on top. I know some of you worked on something very similar in the Digital Design Fundamentals course, Building Texture. I encourage you to revisit that project and sort of remember how to create something like that. I provided some examples. So if you go back over here, I provided a couple examples of a finished project similar to what you'll be doing. This is a little intense. I don't expect that yours looks exactly like this, but these are good examples. I thought there was a second page to this one. Guess it doesn't really show the second page. So I had 2 examples. It's only showing one. I'll try and separate that and upload it back up into JetNet for you. That's where the example is. Post your actual ideas to the portrait forum. You don't have to do anything more than that, but decide upon a photo, post your ideas, and then let's wrap up your kinetic typography video this upcoming unit. Post it to the forum if you have any questions. I believe for this term, I said to share the final link or the MP4 file if you need support. Otherwise, it's not required that you post to the forum this unit. Email me if you need assistance. So not a required forum for the kinetic typography video, but it is required for the portrait. I will also note that on these links so you guys are aware. Submit your final kinetic typography project here. The submission link. Upload a compressed zip folder. Include the final PowerPoint, GIF, or MP4 file, depending on what's generated. And then that should be your final project completed, or the final kinetic typography project completed for this unit. If you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in next week's virtual video.